Hi boys and girls, welcome back to the Parsha Studio. Tishrei is upon us, with it the Yom Tov of Sukkos coming up this week. In honor of that, we are going to make some special Esrog slime. Here are the supplies we will need. Glue, contact lens solution, shaving cream, yellow food coloring, lemon scent, a large and small popsicle stick, measuring cups, a large container, a 4-ounce container, disposable gloves, and gold glitter. Let's begin. Measure 2 ounces of glue and pour it into a large container using a small popsicle stick to scrape all remnants from the sides of the measuring cup. I bet you know that it's a mitzvah to shake the daled minim on Sukkos, but do you know why? Ultimately, we do every mitzvah simply because Hashem said so, but many layers of meaning can help us understand what's so special about each one. So what's special about the daled minim? Well, imagine you are playing chess with your sibling one afternoon. You start setting up the pieces on the board, the king, queen, and other pieces. As you are about to finish, you realize you are missing a white pawn. Oh no, maybe you could still try to play, but it won't be quite fair or the same if you do. Next, squeeze 1 or 2 drops of yellow food coloring and a drop or 2 of lemon scent into the container. Use a large popsicle stick to stir the glue mixture well. Even though the pawn is only one piece and perhaps the simplest, you realize its important role in the game. Measure 4 ounces of shaving cream into a 4-ounce container, then scrape it out into the large container. People come in all different shapes and sizes. Some are great at learning or at davening, and others at helping their parents, friends, or siblings. Measure and pour 1 tablespoon of contact lens solution into the large container. Slowly begin stirring the mixture. Some seem to excel in all mitzvahs, but some don't seem to be great at any mitzvah. We may think that such a person is not so important, or that being great in one particular area of Torah and mitzvahs is the most important of all. But the mitzvah of the daled minim teaches us that every single type of Jew has a role to play. Once the slime is mostly mixed, add a small amount of gold glitter and incorporate it into the mixture. When you think the slime is mostly ready, take it out of the container and knead it until it is one cohesive blob. Each of the types in the daled minim set represents a different type of Jew, and even if one of them is missing, we can't do the mitzvah. Similarly, if even one Jew is missing, we are not whole. We cannot become our best selves without the help and influence of others. Think of someone different from you in the area of Yiddishkeit. What is one thing you can learn from them? Enjoy your Esrog slime and be sure not to mix it up with your real Esrog. Please like and subscribe, and we hope to see you back again next week.